Hala! Hulkbuster! Na Iron Man! The robot vacuum S40. This one is a new model from Xiaomi. Meron siya trick. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Andito tayo ngayon sa Mega Mall since I applied for a Japan visa ulit. So yeah, fortunately we're going to Japan again this September. I applied sa Atik Tours ng Japan visa kasi before din ako nag-apply, and yung nabigay sa akin na visa is single entry visa lang for tourist. And then last week I applied for multiple entry visa. Sana ma-approve. Pero kung hindi siya ma-approve, sana kahit single entry ulit. Hopefully ma-approve naman since parang wala namang nagbago sa company ko since that time, and income wala nagbago. Pero hoping for a multiple entry this time. So check natin sa Atik Tours. Let's go. Yup. For cleaning po. Five years, no? Guys. Got multiple entry. Yes. Kakagaling namin sa mall, nanood ako ng Weapons. Ang ganda ng Weapons, guys. You should watch that. 10 out of 10 yung ratings ko for that thriller movie. Ando lahat ng element, ang ganda ng cinematic, lahat ang ganda. Anyway, so paglabas, napadaan ako sa Philbars kasi sa Uptown. Merong paglabas mo nung cinema, merong Philbars. Tapos nakita ko si Iron Man. And for today, unbox natin. Check natin kung ano yung laman nito. Kasi random din siya. Para siyang ang tawag doon. Para siyang Pop Mart, pero this one is Blackies. Para siyang this one is like Lego version. Ito yung mga characters na possible makuha. Yung option pala is si Hulkbuster. Gusto ko yun makuha. Then Iron Man. Then may Iron Man Secret. Si Raccoon, si Bucky, si Falcon, si Groot, si Captain America, tsaka si Thanos. Okay lang din ako kahit sino dito. Pero mas prefer ko talaga Iron Man. Okay, let's unbox. Hala! What's this? Mukhang Iron Man. So hindi pa talaga pala. Lahat andito. Kala ko Iron Man kasi Iron Man una ko nakita. Kung paano siya bubuin. Andito lahat ng instruction for all characters. Okay, let's G. Sino ito? Iron Man. Hala! Hulkbuster! Na Iron Man! Ulit. Hulkbuster! Yay! I'm so happy. Look guys. So sige. Buuin natin. Guys, look. Guys, trying to buy this one. So it's already Christmas here in SM. Checking for rice cooker guys. Kaso parang wala. So,
They will sail away. Take a break or stay.
guys, we have this for 10,000. The go.
Trees. Don't be so
Sanitis.
afraid that you'll leave one day.
They have the freezer also. Ano ko lang nakita to?
Watch the news. Midnight sun in June. The world is spinning around you and me under the sun.
Sa warranty, ilang years din to?
So make it worth it. Whatever story you're in. Whatever story you're in. Whatever story
Guys, POV ng Yema. We're going to unbox those Xiaomi products that I bought. So what I have here is the steamer, electric cleaning brush. I also have some Philip bulb, a robot vacuum S40C. This one is a new model from Xiaomi. And a 4-liter rice cooker. First, let's unbox this Xiaomi vacuum 40C model. I bought this for 7,999, so almost 8,000 siya. By the way, I don't have scissors. I'll get some scissors. So let's see what's inside the box. Actually, ang ganda talaga ng box or packaging ng Xiaomi. Laba natin. There. Okay. First, I have the manual here. Yeah, I think hindi ko ito magagamit. Then I have the pamunas. Hindi, yung map. I have the map. This one. I just have to put some water here. Then this one is the actual Xiaomi vacuum. Actually kanina, nitest naman siya before ko kunin. At least yung power button ni-test naman siya. What I have here is the charging dock. Tanggalin na ba natin? Sige, tanggalin na natin. Ooh. Love it. This is the actual unit. The Xiaomi. Let's try this later. Then what I have here also is some... Okay, dito ko muna siya. I think this one is the accessories for yung pangwalis niya. The charger here. EU charger. Yeah, I think I have to put this one here sa baba. Yun. Just put this. Nag-click naman siya. This one can be, pwede ito matanggal. Let's put this na rin. The map. Yun, nag-click na. I put this, the map, and the wiper. Para siyang button for power on and going to its dock. I think yung button yun. Okay. Next naman natin is the Mi Computer Monitor Light Bar. So, ito... Actually, kaya talaga lang ako pumunta ng Mega Mall is because bibili ako ng light bulb. Kasi humina yung ceiling light ko, humina yung ilaw, tapos nahirapan ako mag-work. So, nag-check ako nito sa Xiaomi, the light bar, na dapat ito lang din talaga yung plano ko bilhin. Actually, hindi nga siya plano rin eh. Mas plano ko lang talaga bumili ng Philip bulb. And that's it. Pero, pabili na ako nito, since nakita ko. Then apparently, ang daming bagong model na nilabas si Xiaomi ngayon. And I think kailangan ko naman sila. So, bumili na ako. This one is the monitor light bar. Yeah. This one is the actual light that I can attach to the, what do you call this? The bar. Or to the clip. Oops. And this is the controller. And parang ni-test din na rin naman ito. And kailangan siya ng battery, no? Which is yun yung wala pa ako. And also I have a USB Type-C that I can connect to my monitor so that every time mag-open yung monitor ko, nag-open din automatically yung monitor light bar natin. I think that's it for this one. Also, it has manuals. Pero syempre hindi natin naman babasahin. That's it for that one. Yeah. This one has is a electric cleaning brush. Tag. Sa gilid ko pala muna ito. Okay. This one is a electric cleaning brush kasi naglilinis ako ng mga mga salamin and nahirapan ako magkakos. So, matagal ko na rin balak bilhin to. Then kanina nakita ko, meron pa pala silang binibenta na ganito. Pero matagal ng product to ni Xiaomi. Parang pandemic pa lang nakikita ko na siya. Pero bumili na rin ako. Pero yun, apparently mas mura siya sa Lazada compared to store. Parang magkano nga ba to? I bought this for around 900 plus. Pero parang 800 plus lang sa Lazada. So if you guys are planning to buy, sa Lazada meron naman. And official Xiaomi store din naman yan. So what I have here are the product guide. And that's it on the box. Kailangan ko ba? Parang hindi naman. I have the USB. The actual unit. This one. That I can attach some accessories here. Basically, I have this one, the main brush. Check natin. Ayan. So once you attach the head, you just press the button here for powering yung fan. Meron siyang 3 modes. This one is the para mabagal lang. Then second, then third yung off niya. So first level, then second level, then off. Ayan. Think yun lang siya. Then ito yung mga attachment niya. Yung parang Scotch-Brite thingy. Then this one can be attached dito sa sa isang head natin. This one. So if I going to attach this, ayun. Then ito pwede rin kapalitan. Merong may punch, so pwede rin to. So let's see. So ito. Ayan. Ito with punch. Di ba ang cute? So that's the accessories for this one. Check natin kung paano tanggalin. Ayun, hinihigit lang pala. If you go para magpalit, hinihigit lang yung head. Okay. So let's say ito yung gusto ko. Then there. Cool. Next one. This one is a Xiaomi handheld steamer. Ayan. So, meron naman akong flattening iron dito. Meron akong iron, clothes iron. Kaso, tinatamad ako lagi mag-setup kung may kabayo, So this one, if nakahanger na yung mga damit ko, mostly naman nakahanger yung mga clothes ko. I can just use this. And I think mas okay rin to for some delicate clothes. Kasi, mas steam lang siya. Ano ba itong unboxing na to? So there, merong mga manuals ulit. How to use this? Meron lang din ulit attachment. Then this one, you have to put some water din. Oops. There. Para ikabit, pinupush lang to. Yan. So, nakaslant siya pag push. Para ma-attach yung attachment. And there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, next one is the Philip valve. Though valve lang naman to, huwag nating unbox. Yeah. That's all for our maliliit na items. Let's go dun sa one of the biggest. This one is the Xiaomi Xiaomi rice cooker. Malapit na natin makomplete yung home appliances ni Malapit natin makomplete yung home appliances ni Xiaomi, guys. Ito, matagal ko na rin balak bilhin. Kasi nga yung rice cooker ko, madali makasira ng rice pag nagsasaing kasi luma na. So, ito, at least. Anyway, so ito, manual lang din. So, I think di ko lang ito gagamitin. And the actual rice cooker. This one is the pala guys, the biggest electric rice ng Xiaomi so far. This one is 4 liter. Meron silang 3 liter and 2 liter ata, or 1 liter lang yung maliit. Then dito, this one can be, pwede siya matanggal na. Para malinis yung mga steam na pang steam siya. Then, I think most of the accessories are here. Ayan. Dito, meron tayong pang steam, the actual lagayan ng rice. Attach niya ng pang steam. Meron tayong cup, na free cup. The power cord. Tapos, dalawang pansantok ng kanin. Okay, that's it. Ito na yun. Ang cute. Itong isa medyo flat. Then itong isa may parang pang sabaw. So, pwede. That's it. I think yun lang guys yung unboxing tonight. Medyo masama talaga yung pakiramdam ko. I have a sore throat ulit. It's the white mocha that triggers my sore throat again. Pero there, we have rice cooker, the vacuum, electric brush, the steamer, monitor light bar, and then the Philip bulb. And that's it for today. Check natin later yung maybe tomorrow, the review and yung paggamit ko or pag-check ng mga items. No? Kasi ngayon naman, hindi ko pa rin talaga siya nagagamit. More on unboxing pa lang this. Sa items tonight. Pero, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow, continue naman to. I think one vlog ko lang gagawin. Gamitin natin yung mga items tomorrow. And that's it for today. Guys, look. Super shiny na siya. Compared to kanina. So, nalinis siya. In fairness. Diba? Sa ako ito.
Gentleman Sausage.
Yes, day in a life baka mo. Okay, makikasal, magkakasal. Ayan, kapwa. For lunch. From chili from LKT. Guys, if you want this, you can order at their social media page. Special chili garlic oil. Fresh ingredients. Let's enjoy the freshly baked mangosal. Hindi pala siya mangosal. That's what I bought on the G, that's it.